I'm going to unbox this mount and hook my monitors up to it coming up. I enjoy having dual video display. It's particularly handy when I'm editing videos. But this monitor can go up, down, tilt. It can even do a landscape mode. All this monitor can do is swivel. I'm wanting more flexibility with this monitor, so that's where this comes in. This is a full motion dual monitor mount that I'm going to hook both of these monitors up to. Let's start by unboxing this mount. Okay, here we go. There's a bit of tape on this, so let's take care of that first. On full motion dual monitor arm, 13-inch through 27-inch. Okay. Oh, 2018. Customer service number. Safety. Precautions. Alright, here's everything that should be in there. I'll dig and look for that stuff in a minute. And instructions on how to put the thing together. I'll be following those instructions. One-year warranty. Okay, let's see what we got in this box. And the mount's going to hook up there somehow. It's like cable management. More cable management. Here's the clamp. I might put something soft in here to not booger up my desk. Maybe there's something in here that is soft already. I don't want to mess my desk up. This is what I'm going to attach to the back of the monitor. Here's the other one. Here's the screws. Oh, there's some pads. Alright. Washers, screws, tools I need, and 3 Allen wrenches. 3 different sizes. See what's in here. That would be the pole. This is all laid out. Well, that doesn't look too complicated. Let's start putting it together. Yes, this price tag says $11.99. This was an awesome Goodwill deal. Now I can adjust my monitors to my liking, except for one thing. The height adjustment on the left and right side are not independent. So if I move the left side down, I have to move the right side down. And these are not a matched pair of monitors, so one of them sits slightly higher than the other one. And that's a little bit of a disappointment. Otherwise, it looks pretty good. It gives me desk space that I didn't have before. I have my speakers can fit underneath the monitor so I can hear them good. I'm pretty happy with this setup, and I give it a thumbs up. There's one other thing. The mounting plates were a little too large to fit into the recess on the back of a Dell monitor. I had to force them in a little bit. If you enjoyed this video or any other in the Thrifty AV series, please like and subscribe. Thank you to my patrons for supporting this channel. Any small pledge helps keep Thrifty AV going, and remember, stay thrifty, everyone!